Troy and Zoe, she's not here today. They've been very helpful. They arranged a training session for us to understand how their products can be installed, can be supported, can be programmed. So it was quite a comprehensive process. We got into learn a lot, and I believe it's going to be a lot more valuable to supply products and services to a market which can easily get support. So thank you guys for the arrangements you made, and I'm really grateful for the opportunity to have learned this much in such a compact period.
Thank you.